So right now I'm going to do a bird dog exercise. The purpose of the bird dog is really to demonstrate good spine stability while moving your hips. So I'm going to place a water bottle on my back. I'm going to move from the hip. And then a more advanced version is I'm going to move from the arm and the hip. And try to keep my spine totally still. The water bottle is going to tell me if I'm moving my spine. Now from this point of view, I want to demonstrate a common mistake. A lot of people tend to shift their hips side to side. Now, that's not going to work. So what we want to do is set up with a wider base. You bring your knees about a foot apart from each other. They should always return to the same position. Guess what? Ideally, there shouldn't be any breath holding either. One compensation people resort to is holding their breath simply to move their body. You shouldn't have to hold your breath to do this. You should just have that natural stability. So you're just going to practice until you can do it.